Namaste, welcome all of you. I am Mallikarjun Bagle. I am a registered pharmacist. Pharmacist is the main connection between the doctors and patients. He always helps to the patients to fight against diseases. Right now, he is helping in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Being a registered pharmacist, I am here to share some credible information regarding this COVID-19, which is taken from the official websites of Government of India and some senior doctors. Right now your phone must be flooded with lot of tips regarding the COVID-19. You might having confusion that which to follow or which not to follow. So I am here to resolve your confusions. Friends, on the social media one message spreading very rapidly that if you have to test for COVID-19 yourself, hold your breath for 10 seconds. You are easily holding your breath for 10 seconds, then you are okay, and you are not holding, then you are not okay. Friends, this is not the way to test for the COVID-19 because some person having problems with asthma, blood pressure or some any other health issues. So this is not the way to test for COVID-19. Eating garlic or drinking alcohol is the prevention measure for the COVID-19. It is another the big myths which is following right now these days. There is garlic has an antimicrobial properties, but there is no any data clinical studies conducted for the efficacy of garlic as a preventive measure of infection of COVID-19. Drinking alcohol lowers the immunity, not helps from the prevention of COVID-19. You must be thinking of taking the hydroxychloroquine tablets as a preventive measure of COVID-19 infection, but you need not to take the hydroxychloroquine tablets as a preventive measure. You are working as a healthcare professional or you are coming directly in contact with the COVID-19 positive patients, then and then only you have to take the hydroxychloroquine tablets. But before that, always take consultation from your doctor for taking the HCQS tablets. Don't try it on your own, because suppose you are on another medications or you have some another health issues, the taking of HCQS tablets might cause any certain critical conditions. So don't try it on your own. Always seek your physician's consultation. So prevention is always better than cure. So try to boost your immunity by taking the perfect balanced diet to fight against this COVID-19. Practice daily yogasana, pranayam, exercise at your home only. So don't go outside to doing exercise or yoga. Practice it on your home only. Take care of yourself. Follow the hygienic manners which are told from the government. Take care of self. Take care of family members. Stay safe. Stay home. And let's fight together against this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.